Everyone, I am Varun Kumar. We are going to discuss now a chapter of class 8, that is exponent and index, also called as power. Introduction. If m is a positive integer and non-zero number a is multiplied m times, then we get mth power of a, which is denoted by a power m. Here a is called the base, m is called the exponent or index, and a power m is called mth power of a, or a raised to power m. Similarly, 3 power 4 is called fourth power of 3. Here base is equals to 3 and power is equals to 4. Minus 4 power 6 is called sixth power of minus 4. Here base equals to minus 4 and power equals to 6. Power with negative exponents. See here negative exponents rule. A power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. In negative exponents means we have to rewrite our power term as 1 by fraction, whatever it is. Negative exponents are positive fractions. Not a cannot be 0 because a by 0 is not possible. Negative exponents pattern. See here how negative exponent pattern is. Negative exponent using pattern of power works out like this. Subtract from power. Suppose that 2 is 2 power 2 equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. After reducing the power, we get 2 power 1 equals to 2. Again we have to divide by 2. Again power is 2 power 0 equals to, again divide it by 2, we get 1. Again 2 power minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Divide right hand side 2 again by 2, we get lesser 2, or the reduced multiplication of 2. Negative exponent produce fraction a power minus m equals to 1 by a power m. Laws of exponents. See here, if we have to find the product of two exponents like m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. See here in example, 2 power 2 into 2 power 3 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 2 power 5. Suppose that we have to get a quotient, then see here a power m divided by a power n. Then we get a power m minus n. Here we are going to see with an example 2 power cube divided by 2 power 2 equals to 2 into 2 into 2, because 2 cube, that's why. Again next divide by 2 into 2 equals to 2 power 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Third is power, a power m whole power n. Then we have to multiply the powers, a power m into n. See here in example 2 power 2 whole power 3. Then we have to write 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and again 2 into 2 into 2. We get 2 power 6. Inverse, see here a power minus 1 then is equals to 1 by a. 2 power minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. 0 power, a power 0 equals to 1. Why? We need a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n when m equals to 0. In order for this load to be satisfied when m equals to 0, we have a power n equals to a power m plus n equals to a power 0 plus n equals to a power 0 into a power n. So a0 must be 1. Again we are going to discuss a law of exponent. I am going to repeat it because it is very important to learn. See here, if we have to multiply a power m into a power n, that is equals to a power m plus n. Example, 2 cube into 2 power 4 equals to 2 power 3 plus 4 equals to 2 power 7 equals to 128. Again, see here, a power m whole power n equals to a power m into n equals to 2q. We are going to see an example, 2q whole power 4 equals to 2 power 3 into 4 equals to 2 into 2 power 12 equals to 4096. Again, see third, ab whole power n equals to a power n into b power n. Example, 20q. Suppose that we have to get a 20q, then we can write down 2 into 10 whole power q. Then we can separate it, 2q into 10 to power q equals to 8 into 1000 equals to 8000. See another law, a by b whole power n can be written as a power n by b per power n. Here we are going to take an example, 2 by 5 whole power q equals to 2q by 5q equals to 8 by 125. See another law, a power m by a power n equals to a m minus n equals to, see example, 2 power 5 by 2 power q equals to 2 power 5 minus 3 equals to 2 power 2 equals to 4. Again, another, a power m by a power n can also be written as a by 1 by a power n minus m equals to 2. Example, see here example, 2q by 2 per power 5 equals to 1 by 2 power 5 minus 3 equals to 1 by 2 square equals to 1 by 4. Now we are going to discuss problem based on finding negative power of a non-zero rational number. Working rule. Use the following result whichever is required. If a is an integer and n is a positive integer, then a power n equals to a into a into a into n times a will be written here. Next is a power minus n equals to 1 by a power n. It can be written as 1 by a into a into a n times. Second is, if a and b are any two integer and n is a positive integer, then a by b whole power n equals to a power n by b per power n equals to a multiplied n times by b multiplied n times, where b is not equals to 0, because if b is equals to 0, then it is not possible to find out the answer. Again, see a third, a by b whole power minus n can be written as 1 by a by b whole power n. It can also be written as a by n power a power n by b power n equals to b power n by a power n, because if there is a negative value on the any fraction, power is negative, then we are going to find out the reciprocal, and it reciprocal is always positive of the negative power. That's why it is written as b multiplied n times by a power n times, where a comma b is not equals to 0. Third is, if a is non-zero number, then a power 0 is equals to 1. We have seen that why a power 0 should be 1 in the previous slide. Next is, if m and n are any two integers, then a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n, where a is not equals to 0. You have already seen in the previous slides that a is not negative. Now see the example. Find the value of 3 power minus 1 plus 7 power minus 1 plus 2 power minus 1 whole per power 0. Then we see that when 3 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3, 7 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 7, and 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2. When we add, it is not equals to 0. We can easily see here. That's why I am not going to solve it. But when the power is 0, then answer is always 1, because we know that a power 0 is equals to 1. Find the value of 1 by 3 power minus 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 power minus 2 plus 1 by 5 power minus 2. We are going to separate all these three components. 1 by 3 minus 2 can be written as 9, 1 by 2 minus 2 can be written as 4, and 1 by 5 minus 2 can be written as 25. When we are going to add all three, we get 38. Type 2 problems based on simplifying. In this, you are seeing that the examples based on the laws of the exponent, and we are going to solve on this basis. Simplify 3 power minus 2 divided by 3 power minus 5 whole into 3 power minus 6 equals to 1 by 3 square divided by 1 by 3 power 5 whole into 1 by 3 power 6. We remove all the negative by taking the reciprocal of all the values. Then we have to calculate, we have to change the divide into multiply. So 1 by 3 squared into 3 power 5 whole into 1 by 3 power 6 equals to 3. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 1 by 3 in power 6 equals to 3 cube by 3 power 6 equals to 3 power 3 minus 6 equals to 3 power minus 3 is equals to 1 by 3 cube equals to 1 by 27. See another example is 1 by 3 whole power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 total divided by 1 by 4 power minus 2. Here we are going to separate the value of numerator as well as denominator, and we get 1 power minus 2 divided by 3 power minus 2 minus 1 power minus 3 divided by 2 power minus 3. Total is divided by 1 power minus 2 by 4 power minus 2. We get 3 squared by 1 square minus 2 cube by 1 cube divided by 4 square by 1 square equals to 9 minus 8 divided by 16 equals to 1 by 16. Solution of equations containing terms having variable power. Working rule. It is very simple. Make the base on the two sides of equation equal. If a power x is equal to a power y, then x is always equals to y when a is not equal to 0, 1 or minus 1. See here, in this we have to find the value of x if 5 by 3 whole power minus 3 into 5 by 3 whole power minus 11 equals to 5 by 3 whole power 8x. We see that all the bases of the exponents are equal. So we are going to calculate it. See here, 5 power 3 whole power minus 5 plus minus 11. Minus 5 minus 11 equals to how much? Minus 16. So 5 by 3 power minus 16 equal to 5 by 3 power 8x. Here we see that minus 16 base is equal. That's why we can equate the power. That is equal to minus 16 equal to 8x. X equal to minus 16 by 8. That is equals to minus 2. Example. See another example. 2 power x plus n equals to 4 power x plus 3. Here we see that the bases are not same, but we are going to make it equal. How we are going to do that? 4 can be written as 2 power 2. Then we can multiply the power 2 into x plus 3 and we get how much? 2x plus 6. Now the bases are same, that's why x plus 9 is equals to 2x plus 6. So x minus 2x equal to 6 minus 9. that is equals to x is equals to 3. See another example. 2 power x into 3 power y into 7 power z is equals to 24,696. Here, how we are going to solve this? See here, we are going to find out the prime factors of 24,696. Here we can see that it can be also written as 2q into 3 square into 7q. Then we are going to equate the equation, that is 2 power x into 3 power y into 7 power z is equals to 2q into 3 square into 7q. Then we can see that 2x is equals to 2q, 3y equal to 3 square and 7y equal to 7q. Then we can also write down x equals to 3, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3, because all the bases are equal. Then we can write down in this manner.